Yo, y'all know the vibes. It is Smoovelifer time. We are back. You guys are back with a banger today, you guys. How my Smoovelifer's been? Y'all been doing good? Yeah, me too. I've been doing fine too, man. As y'all see, we got the ZL1 in the bag, looking pretty black and green. But we have some more go fast parts in the mail today, which are these two boxes here. And I'm guessing those gaskets probably give it away, and those header bolts will probably give it away. But your boy got a set of new headers in. Maybe like a couple days ago, but this next setup, this exhaust setup is gonna be so neighbor friendly, people friendly, law friendly, because we're gonna be able to put our stock valve exhaust back on with these, because it's also X-pipe in here too. So we're gonna have our quiet mode and our loud mode. So yes, sir. So this is we're gonna unbox the headers. They're from Speed Engineering, a brand that show y'all something. A brand that many people like, dislike. Some people like to pay a lot of money for headers, but all the headers kind of work the same. And these brand of headers have been on pro drag cars that make 1,500 horsepower and work just fine. So why would I spend an extra $1,000 on a set of headers? They do the same thing. I think they both are stainless steel. Was it T3 or 4? I forgot what they're made out of. We're gonna check the wheels in here too to make sure, see if it's nice wheels or not. Because I've been looking at videos of the cars that these headers going on in the headers and the products, and the wheels always been good. They look good, they work fine. The only thing people doubted was the clamp. So we're gonna see what the clamps look like. We're gonna unbox the headers on this video now, so let's get right to it, you guys. Alright, so first things first, you guys see these are OEM GM gaskets for LT1 and LT4s. I had to order these specifically, you feel me? I'm not gonna reuse my gaskets that I already have now, so we're gonna set these to the side. Bought ARP header bolts, you feel me? Also for LT1 and LT4s, you feel me? We also have heat shields for our wire boots and all that stuff, so you feel me, don't get false misfire and stuff from the wires, spark plug wires getting, you feel me, burnt and stuff. So let's set this over here also. And we have our boxes. So I'm gonna set these up over here so we can actually do our unboxing. So let's get it. Okay, so we got our headers box right here, you guys. I'm hoping this is the headers one and this is the X-pipe one I just guessed. So hopefully we open the headers one first. But let's go to get to the inbox. I've been waiting for like a week or so to unbox these. For you guys can see my first reaction. You guys can see the packaging of Speed Engineering. So yeah, let's get right to it. Okay, so first things first, I see we have our O2 spark plug extensions. Let me see my address. My hands are dry. Our O2 sensor extensions, our headers, our Speed Engineering wire, spark plugs and wires, we got red ones. So yeah, this is the first box. So have our O2 extensions and a sticker. Have our O2 extensions and a sticker on here, which is cool. And then we have our 8 spark plug wires. I'm guessing, yeah, our 8 spark plug wires. Pretty nice, red. I got boots for these though, so they don't burn, so yes. And it also came with some de-electric grease. Still working correspond with those so they don't burn, you feel me? That's why I bought these, for protection. Okay. So we have our 1 7/8 headers from Speed Engineering. This is one. Let's take out the second one. Comes with a disclaimer. Y'all can screenshot it if y'all want to read this. But yeah, fuck that. Alright, this is the right side, our passenger side's header. Came with gaskets, multi-graphite gaskets, I think. We're not using these though, we're gonna use the GM OEM ones. Come on, we're not using these things, so let them out the way. But let's see, the box is over there. We might actually need that, so let's bring it back. Okay. I don't see any defects. This welding ain't bad. Everybody talking about some of this Chinese brand. This welding is not bad. Hope you guys can see this. But if you see, this welding is not bad at all. Look. People be hating, bro. These is not. Okay, you got a little rust there. What is that? But my hands are cold. Inside the collector, and if you guys can see inside of there. Okay. 1 7/8. Now let's check the other one though. Okay. These aren't bad either. Okay. So, these are the headers. But we also ordered the X pipe. It's like a 3-inch X pipe from here all the way back into the stock 2K. So let's unbox those and see what those look like. But the headers are, from what I'm looking at, pretty fine, good quality. No dings, scratches, a couple scratches, but probably from transport. But yeah, let's get to the X pipe, you guys. Alright, now this X pipe box is like you've been through World War II, y'all. This one is beat up. They sent all the clamps in this one. I don't know why, but yeah, we got clamps galore. We're probably gonna end up using a different set of clamps because I heard these are booty meat. Yes, I heard these are booty meat, so probably end up using a different set of clamps, but these are all the clamps they give you. I think these are like 3-inch clamps. And yeah, y'all know how these go, man. I ain't no clamp specialist, so we're gonna just get these out the way. Another disclaimer. Okay. Some connection pipes. With a little bit of 2 connection pipes. Yep. Part of the X pipe. No, these are not an X pipe. Put these here. Mid pipe stuff. Another sticker. I love stickers. Key to my heart is stickers. Sticker. And we have our X pipe. So yeah, it's normal exhaust, mid pipe, the cat back. Mid pipe, cat back, and all of this connects to the actual back section, which I'm going to be putting back on my car. Hopefully those valves still work, but this is Speed Engineering unboxing headers, mid pipe, X pipe. So, okay, so this is the full unboxing, guys. So wait, this is the X. Well, this is really the mid pipe. This is the X pipe in here. I just kept that in there. The section that will connect to the stock valve exhaust, which came off my ZL1 originally. I'm going to be using these. Hopefully these motors still work and the connections still work in the back of the car. And these were the headers. I put them all back in here because I don't want to mess these up, ding any of this stuff up. So I'm going to put them back in my workroom, safe and sound. I almost bust my ass. I almost bust my butt. I have the graphite These are the graphite gaskets that come with the kit. I'm not using these. I'm going to use the OEM ones, which I'm going to show you guys in a little bit. I'm going to set these there. Connection pipes right there, you feel me? Like I said, we got our boots. Got our O2 extensions right here with a speed engineering sticker. Disclaimer, don't need that. Real men, we don't read those. We got our spark plugs. No, I'm tripping. We got our spark plug wires. Degreaser, de-electric greaser. All of these freaking clamps that we're probably not gonna use, we will see. And most importantly, our ARP header bolts. Gonna get us to the promised land. And our OEM gaskets. So, yeah. Should be fine. Can't wait to put these on the car. They should be on the car by next week. Be a quick video for you guys so you guys will know when I recorded this. So, yes. Can't wait to show you guys the difference of the sound, the quality of the sound, and also if it's going to be as loud as this. So I'm going to do a comparison between how this is straight pipe with the no cats, no nothing to an AWE track catback, which this is super loud. It kind of gets annoying. It gets really annoying, especially with the drone, and I can't make it quiet because I took off the valve stuff. So we're gonna do a comparison between the headers, no cats, X pipe with the stock valve stuff, with the stock valve axle back, whatever you want to call it, suitcase. Can't wait to show the comparison, and also the horsepower gain. I'm doing a couple other things to this car in conjunction with the header, so the gain is not gonna be strictly from headers, but we'll see if we get, we'll see something. Now when I put it, I'm gonna do a couple pulls, see the 6130s different, stuff like that, 100 to 150. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, man. Hopefully I can encourage y'all to not just go buy the big Cooks headers brands and all this. I mean, we could have got Cooks headers, Cooks American Racing, Tech Speed. Tech Speed had like a back order. Cooks, I think, I don't know, maybe I didn't check thoroughly, but last time I checked out the headers, it was a back order all, and this is the only one that I can get like immediately. So that's kind of the excuse why I got them, but also, I mean, save some money, put some of that other money to different stuff like other race car stuff that I'm not gonna tell you guys yet. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Guys know the vibes. We gotta get faster, but Smoovelifer is out.